In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a travel affiliate website in WordPress step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want to earn money online by promoting flights, hotels, and travel deals using affiliate links. We'll be using free tools, a ready-made design, and a powerful affiliate system so you can get up and running fast. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel of your website, and everything we do starts here. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure WordPress is fully installed and working properly. Next, we're going to import a professional travel website design. In your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Starter Templates. When the page loads, select Elementor as your page builder. Elementor makes it very easy to customize your site visually without coding. In the search bar, type Travel. Look for the template called Travel Agency and make sure it does not have a premium badge. Click on it, then click Skip and Continue through the logo and color steps. Finally, click Submit and Build My Website. Wait until you see the congratulations screen, then click View Website to see your new travel site live. Now it's time to install the affiliate search engine that will actually make you money. Go back to your dashboard, then click Plugins and Add New. In the search bar, type Travelpayouts. Click Install Now, then Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new Travelpayouts menu in your sidebar. This plugin allows visitors to search for flights and hotels directly on your site. At this point, your website design is ready and built with Elementor. Now we just need to add the Travelpayouts search form to your homepage. Go to your homepage and click Edit with Elementor at the top. On the left-hand widget panel, search for Travelpayouts. Drag and drop the search form widget onto your page, usually right below your main headline. In the Settings panel, choose whether you want to show flights or hotels. Once you're done, click the pink Update button to save your changes. Next, open a new tab and go to your Travelpayouts dashboard. This is where you manage your affiliate account, track clicks, and see your earnings. Make sure your account is fully set up and connected properly. Now go back to WordPress and open any page by going to Pages and clicking Edit. Here you can also add Travelpayouts blocks inside your content to promote specific travel offers. To make your affiliate links look clean and professional, we're going to use another plugin. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Pretty Links. Install and activate it. Then go to Pretty Links and click Add New. Paste your long affiliate URL, like a hotel or flight link from Booking.com, into the target URL field. Customize the short link, then save it. This makes your links easier to manage and more trustworthy for users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a travel affiliate website in WordPress, from design to monetization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start an affiliate website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.